Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode in this inspection item tutorial series. So now we can select an object and we can rotate it like this, and we can further inspect that object, and when I right click, it go back to the original position like this. So those are the parts I'm going to cover today, and this episode is sponsored by this generous patron. Okay, now at the moment when I click on them, they comes like this. So how to rotate them? Mm, okay, here is the blueprint, and I'll disable this part if I am inspecting this object already. So to know that, I'll add a boolean variable inspecting, and I'll set it to true here. Set inspecting to false here, and if I am inspecting, oh, not like that, get a branch. If I am inspecting this, don't do anything, don't highlight it basically. And also what are the axes? Turn. Okay, let's try this turn. Add local rotation. If we should do this only if we have equipped it, but this wouldn't work unless we enable input. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh, nothing happens. Why is that? And we should do about something about double equipping too. Actually it does work. I have to keep the mouse button clicked like this because the reason is that I have defined a custom player controller. That's the reason. So when I equip this, I think I should disable look up and down for this controller. Can we change it? Actually I can. So open this player controller, which is here, and set these input yaw scale and input pitch scale to 0. So now you won't be able to look up and down. Oh, I can. Wait, did I play it? Sorry, I haven't played it yet. Right, now oh wait, something is wrong here. I should highlight this only if this is not yet selected. Right, now it is selected. Okay, now I can rotate this and I can put back. Similarly, I'll add lookup to same thing, but to roll. Is it roll or page? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Alright. So now you can pick up them and inspect. Okay, I think that would be enough for this episode. We can rotate and look around and put it back. What else we need to do? No, that would be enough. Alright, maybe we can do one thing. Like when I get it, maybe I can add something like a depth of field so that everything here will be blurred out and only this subject will be in focus. But I'll try that in another episode. Okay, and yeah, if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. The link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.